Come on, let's get rich. That seems to be the order of the day today. Especially those of you who are watching this who are in your 20-somethings. I'm sure the thought which comes on your head every day is let's invest in cryptos and let's become overnight rich. In today's video, I'm going to tell you some of the myths about crypto investing. Hey folks, welcome to CSK Speaks and I am CSK, your personal coach. You're watching me on my channel, CSK Speaks. Cryptocurrency and crypto investing has been here for some time now. And many of us, especially people who are in their youth, especially people who have got access to some cash in their pockets, wants to double it, triple it, or maybe grow it 10x. And the refuge they take today is open up an account, a wallet, and then start investing. Well, I am not against investing. I am not against you doing your research and putting your hard-earned money or rightfully gained money to work for you. But before you get on to that, here are some of the myths which I would like to bust for you. Now, this video can be used as a ready reckoner as you go along in your investment journey. Now, myth number one, there is nothing called as overnight success. Yes, as much as you would like to believe that you can get rich quickly, I'm sorry to say that it does not work that way. There are a far and few examples where you can multiply your money by investing in what is they call peanuts or penny shares. But then the fact remains that they are very far and few. Especially today when you have got internet, when you have got investing, everything at your fingertips, you got to be more careful. I say this because just the other day, one of my students came to me. He said, "Sir, I've invested in cryptos. I've invested in some coins, some tokens, as they say, and I'm going to double it, triple it, and keep trading on this." I asked him one question. Do you know a little bit about what is that token about and what is that token's fundamentals? Because as you know, that there are a lot of tokens available. If I am not wrong, there are 5,600 tokens around available in the market today, and people are just going crazy investing in these tokens. So when I asked him that question, the boy had no answer. He said, "Sir, I did it because the amount, the number on the screen was very low, was very cheap, and I thought I can afford it, and I thought if everything is going up, let me also try my hand at it." Now that's the problem I am focusing on here in this video. I'm not against people who are taking a nuanced approach towards investing, even in cryptos. Well, I'll come to that in a while, but especially for every one person who is doing his research and due diligence in investing, there are hundreds, if not less, hundreds of people who are just jumping onto the bandwagon. So let me tell you, there is no such thing like overnight success. It doesn't work that way. Now the second myth is you got to understand that everything happens in a structured way. And especially in a country like India, where we are still concerned with investor protection and other things, we need to be very careful. I mean, the last 1 week, you've seen many high-profile meetings, including the parliamentary committee meeting, focusing on crypto investing. Let me give you a fast fact here. 50 crores was the amount of advertisements spent by these crypto trading platforms during the recently concluded T20 World Cup. Now, today's paper says that WazirX will not be advertising in print and electronic media going forward. Now, why this overnight change is because regulation, policies are still getting developed as we are talking. Now, why I am bringing that to your notice is many of the youth today don't even read and understand as to what the environment and the construct of this particular policy is. And that's where the second point comes into picture, is to please understand the ground in which you want to play. As again, I'm not against you investing. I'm against you jumping onto the bandwagon without thinking head or tail. So, to summarize the second point, understand the market, and the best approach right now is go a little slow. Wait and watch, because within the next 1 month to 2 months, the government is going to create a nice environment, a conducive atmosphere for people like you and me to invest and grow our money. In fact, one of the headlines I read is crypto is okay as an asset, but not as a currency for transaction. So if anybody comes to you and says you can trade these cryptos to buy your favorite burger, I think that reality is still far away from us, especially in India. So be aware of that and then keep your money intact. The third and the most important thing which I keep coming across in my discussions with people is they get money, that is, the youth today have access to money and they just want to double it, triple it, and multiply it, which is right, but then you can't just invest or put all that in one basket. A wise man rightly said, don't put all your eggs in one basket. So there are multiple other options and avenues available for you to put your money if you want to do good investments. In fact, I want to say this. 20 years ago, investing was not in our DNA as part of our mindset and common behavior. The good news is, today, the young people, the youth, and people in schools and colleges have started waking up to something what is called as financial literacy. And I say YouTube and the technology, the internet has played a tremendous role in bringing in that awareness and change and shift in the mindsets. Because back in our days, our parents always told us to invest in fixed deposits, post office investments, or secure your money safely in your savings bank account. Today, none of these three options are preferred choices by the youth, which is in a way good because you want to make your money work for you. But in the pursuit of making your money work for you, don't overdo it. Don't jump on for making something which is not possible, which is not practical. So, what I want to tell you through this particular third point is there are alternative avenues which are time and tested and still promising you good returns. Let me take an example. Stock market is on a bull run, but even otherwise, if you are long-term invested in the share market, I'm not professing you to get on to share market, but there are options and my job is to show you those options and avenues. So if you go into the share market and if you stay invested for long term, you can beat inflation, you can beat the interest rates which are available in the normal banks and the banking system. For example, today's banks provide you anywhere between 4% to 7% interest per annum. But if you invest in a stock market and you stay invested for long term, you are anywhere promised of around 15 to 19 or 20% returns. That's the average return, right? That means you're easily getting 2.5 times better than the banking rate of return or the Hindu rate of return, what we call it commonly. So there are avenues. Mutual funds is another important area where you can do risk-free investments. Of course, there are risks attached to mutual funds because it is directly connected to equity markets, but still they are calibrated risks, right? So you can look at that. So I'm not against crypto investing. There are a lot of people who are on the YouTube who are tutoring you on how to do step-by-step crypto investing. But please understand one thing. There's nothing like you get it in short term. You got to keep yourself focused. You got to keep yourself aware, and you also got to keep yourself invested for the long term. So the reason I'm making this video today for all of you is because over the last 1 month, I have seen so many people coming to me and asking me that we want to jump onto the crypto investing world, we want to make a quick buck, we want to even, the worst thing I have heard is even before the government brings in regulation, we want to make our money and come out of it. It doesn't work like that. So my request to the youth, do not spread yourself too thin by investing in so many of these tokens which comes up every evening, every morning, because crypto is a 24/7 environment, and then lose your sleep over it. So friends, if you're watching this video, by no means I mean to be discouraging you, but I really want to tell you that be aware, be careful before you put your step forward. Thank you very much for watching this. I'll be coming back with you for more such interactions and videos. But till then, take care and stay safe.